Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Cows. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea. No energy. Feeling sad. Wow. No jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay. Farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo, she gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at it. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. Three. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Woo! Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn dirt, no. All animals clap and cheer. Love a quit. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. Kitty. Old MacDonald had a sick. Oh, torture Kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Farm Kitty on the farm T-Bay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Kid says, Link, my food is here. Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
eat burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
Oink, 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 oink.
E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes might tell the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Dental beep beep beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. Hey, wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! Hey! Oh, sa jungle night. Wow! Moon is bright. Magic book starts glowing like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Pretty starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. A, Mr. A, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the alligator's tail. Hard away, end of the trail. Mr. B, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the bear, so wide they got you deep. Low place to hide. Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you see in one big dash. Hey! Mr. D, where are you? Oh no! Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the deer so fast. Got you deep, found you at last. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near elephant ear so big. Got you we do a happy G. Mr. F, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding on a lily leaf. Got you F, quick and brief. Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind giraffe so tall. Got you G, I saw it all. Mr. H, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in outside. Mr. M, Mr. M, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no.
peekaboo. Swinging fast on jungle rope. Chop you and wild escape rope. Talking walking jungle end. Jungle letters side by side. Petey searching every tree. Fun adventure, wild and free. Mr. Q, Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the bush, so small. But you too, I saw it all. Onto our Mr. R, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the jungle stone. But you're not alone. Slithering under leafy bed. Up you see, you're found 99. A to C, all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Hiding under leaves so wide.
Oh no.
Pet your jewel, tongue outside. Mystery, mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Flying high above the sky. But we don't fly by. Piggy stop Morning fun goes dark and slow. No kakaboda in a row. Animals sleeping everywhere. Everyone who's not there. Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. No rooster voice to wake the farm yet. Sun is up, but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cockadoodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, beep, beep. Rooster tries, but no sound comes then. Beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again, but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cockadoodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try. No cockadoodle, nothing bear. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he had feed. She laughs, oh I see the case.
no.
Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, a mystery found. Voice is hiding underground. Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle-doo. Morning sound is on the track. Animals wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep, meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light, 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 light,
I feel so down.
light. Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty
Oh,
yawns,
no.
this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep, meep, meep. warning sound is on the track. Me,